And just to follow up on one unresolved issue from my last tutorial, if you do want to fix this problem of the buildings aligning themselves with the deformed land shape rather than the original normals of the sphere, even though it looks kind of cool, it, understandably is something that you'd probably want to fix. It's relatively easy to fix. You need a new node called attribute copy. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy the normals from the original sphere to the distorted landscape. So the attribute copy goes there, copying from the sphere to the mountain. And then we choose what attribute we're going to copy. We're copying the attribute n for normals. And then all the buildings stand in the expected orientation.